Today, I will be making a strawberry banana protein ice cream using the Ninja Creamy Swirl and also the immersion blender. Both of those are linked in the description box below. You'll also find the recipe in the description box. Okay, I am trying a new recipe. I am winging it. It's gonna have strawberries in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 strawberries. I would say that's about a small banana. Okay, so let's try this again. So here's the ingredients I'm using for today's recipe. I'm doing about 6 strawberries. I would say that's 1 small banana, some strawberry extract, whole cashews, heavy whipping cream, oat milk, and also I'm gonna do some dates as a sweetener. So I'm gonna sweeten it with dates, 6 strawberries, a small banana, strawberry extract, whole cashews, heavy whipping cream, and oat milk. I'm gonna put that all in here and blend it up. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I've got the strawberries in there. I'm gonna put 1 date in there. I have the bananas. I'm gonna dump that in there with its juices. I had to thaw it out a little bit in the microwave. So I put that in the microwave for like 1 minute since it was frozen. I'm gonna pour in 1 cup of oat milk to start. Ooh, see? I left a little back because it's already at the fill line. We're gonna add a little of the strawberry extract. Okay, got that open. Smells good. Just put a little bit of that in there. That was maybe a half a teaspoon, I guess. And we're gonna put some cashews in there because I wanna thicken it up. So putting 1/4 cup of cashews in there. And I need to put some heavy whipping cream. So the serving is 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. So I'm gonna add that. Ooh. That's right at the fill line. I don't know if it's gonna go over once I blend it. So that's all I've put in there so far. So let's now blend it. I didn't add anything else. Oh. Let's try that. It's good. I feel like it could use some more sweetener because it's definitely thick enough. See, it's definitely thick. So I'm gonna add some more sweetener to it. Okay, I've decided I'm going to try and add some more dates because it says the serving size on here says 4 to 5 dates is a serving size, and I only put 1 in there. So let's add a couple more. I put 1, so that's 2, 3, 4. Let's see. I'm going to add a little more strawberry extract. I just want a stronger strawberry taste. Oop, that might have been a little too much. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I think I might add some protein to it. Listen, this is trial and error. I think my husband has some protein, strawberry protein powder, so let's do that. Yep, he has strawberry milkshake, so that should do it. I'm definitely over the fill line, so I'm gonna have to take some out. But I'm gonna put a scoop in there. Oh, well, when I take this out, it's not necessarily. There we go. Let's mix that. That should do it. Yep. That'll do it. Okay. Let's connect that. Make a little mess here. I'm gonna stir it. And this is how it looks. It looks and smells delicious. So we're gonna put it in the freezer and see how it tastes tomorrow. freezer. In the freezer. I'm gonna put it to the front so it's flat. Okay, we got a couple other flavors in here that are ready to go. But we got the strawberry in here. We'll see how it tastes tomorrow. So these are just a couple of the toppings that we have around the house. You can use whichever toppings you like. Sprinkles, rubber chips, coconut, cashew, walnuts, pecans, and nuts. Okay, so fast forward to the next day. This is the ice cream that I made. That's my pecan ice cream. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the freezer. It has this hard shell on the top. The whole thing is frozen, but this is what it looks like. It looks a little dry, but it's going to be mixed up and it's going to come out great. We're going to stick it in this adapter that comes with the Ninja Creamy Swirl, and we're going to add it to the machine. Today we're going to make the soft serve. So just press the corresponding buttons on the Ninja Creamy Swirl machine and let's get to it. Once it's ready, this is what it looks like. We're going to add the lid for the soft serve to it. You want to make sure, of course, that you open up the bottom so that the soft serve ice cream can be dispensed. You're going to open that drip tray just to catch anything that might come out of that ice cream container. You're going to put the pint in here like this. Like I said, you're going to open it up so that the ice cream can dispense. Grab a cone or a bowl, and you're going to press the lever, give it about 15 seconds, then add your favorite toppings and enjoy. Thanks for coming along with me on this journey to make the strawberry banana protein ice cream. Let me know if you decide to make it and how yours turned out. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out my Cooking with Journey to 50 Plus playlist for more healthy ideas. Don't forget to comment below and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more recipes on the channel.